Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about a really cool tool called ChatGPT for emotional support. It's a virtual assistant that uses artificial intelligence to provide conversations and insights to help with emotional well-being. Let me show you an example of how it works. Imagine if you're feeling anxious about an upcoming presentation. You can simply chat with ChatGPT and express your concerns. ChatGPT, I'm here to listen. Can you tell me the specific aspects that are making you anxious? I'm worried that I'll forget what to say and everyone will judge me. ChatGPT. It's normal to feel nervous, but remember, you've prepared and have knowledge about the topic. Take a deep breath, visualize success, and trust yourself. ChatGPT offers understanding and guidance when we need it the most. It's like having a supportive friend who's available 24/7. A great feature of ChatGPT is that it adapts to your needs. Let's say you want coping strategies for stress. ChatGPT, sure. Are you looking for quick stress relief techniques or long-term strategies to manage stress? I need some quick stress relief techniques. ChatGPT. One effective technique is deep breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold your breath for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, and you'll feel calmer. ChatGPT provides practical advice tailored to your specific needs. It's like having a personal coach in your pocket. ChatGPT is not only helpful for individuals but also for mental health professionals who can utilize it as an additional resource for their clients. Mental health professional. ChatGPT offers valuable insights and guidance that can complement therapy sessions. It helps facilitate deeper conversations and fosters emotional growth. So whether you need a listening ear, coping strategies, or professional guidance, ChatGPT for emotional support is there to assist you. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.